Welcome friends, in this video we are going to see about User Interface Part 2. Let's begin into the session. Now we get into Options command. In that we can be able to customize the user interface according to our requirements. In this System Options tab, we have plenty of options available. And that I will explain you the most important things alone. Now we see General option, and that as we seen before in Home tab we can modify the number of recent documents to be displayed, and I will show you again. And the next one is, Open Last Used Document at Startup. It will automatically open the previously worked document when we open the Solidworks application. In Drawing option, where we can set up various visualization styles, I will explain it in Drawing tutorial. In Colors option, we can able to change our workspace background color. In that there are various types of color schemes available, such as full color, gradient color, and even though we can set up images as our background themes, in Sketch option, we can see Auto Rotate Normal to Sketch Plane option. I will show you some example, with unchecking the option. If we enter into the Sketch module, it is difficult to view straight towards the sketch plane. By checking on the option we can be able to see. If we click on the sketch area, it will automatically gets normal to our view. Inside Sketch option, Relation or Snap option is there. If we uncheck the Enable Snap tool, we cannot be able to take any supporting reference from the workspace while sketching. Let me show you some example. See, we cannot be able to position our sketch with any references. Meanwhile, if we check the Enable Tool option, we can be able to see various types of snaps as we see here. Now if we move towards Sketch tool we can able to refer some snap points. Your mouse pointer will automatically grab with nearby reference points. It will be highlighted in orange color. Now we see about Display option. In this we can be able to adjust our model visualization quality based on our requirements. In Selection tool, as we looked before, we can have various types of selection modules. In Default Template option, we can be able to see Part, Assembly and Drawing template folder locations. We can also modify that. File Locations option. We can be able to see various modules templates in the listed items, and we can modify those folder locations. In View option, we can able to adjust our mouse-based features. In Backup or Recover option, we can be able to adjust the auto-recover timings, backup holding days of the auto-recover datas, and save notification timing. In this it will ask us to save. Next we will see about Whole Wizard or Toolbox. In this folder location, the SolidWorks design library template files will be there, such as fasteners and so on. In Search option, we can be able to customize the number of search items to be listed. In Collaboration option, when we are working in an common server, there may be a chance to modify a single part by others, while we working on it. On that time if we enable this option, they will get notified by the warning messages as listed here. Next we will see about Customize options. In this Toolbar tab, we can be able to make floating tabs, which will be useful when we are frequently using any of the toolbars, while modeling. The second one is Shortcut bar. Here we can create a floating toolbar. In this we can add or remove the tools, which will be accessible only on pressing S key. Similarly, we can create such floating shortcut toolbars for assembly, drawing and sketch tools. In Commands toolbar, we can directly drag and drop our required tools to any other tabs. And if we don't want it, we can drop it back. In Menu toolbar, we can add or remove the options in the existing category. Now we move to the Keyboard toolbar. In that we can able to set keyboard shortcuts for various commands. If you're repeating the existing command, it will show warning. If I pressed my assigned shortcut key, for my reload option, I assigned Ctrl L. Once I pressing it, my command will pop up. In mouse gesture options, we can keep various numbers of gestures based upon our requirement. Similarly, we can add or remove options. Let me show you some example. If we drag our mouse pointer by clicking on right mouse button, it will be visible. Moreover, it can be used in assembly, sketch and drawing. Now we see about add-ins. In that Solidworks additional product development modules will be there, we can see in these tabs also. In Save or Restore settings, first we will see about Save settings. In this we save our customized toolbar arrangements and shortcuts in a separate file, so we can share it to others also. In Restore settings, we can change the standard setting of Solidworks into our customized workbench by importing our customization file. In Button Size option, we can be able to modify our icon size, based upon our screen resolution. Hello friends, hope you gotten better understanding about user interface customization. For further updates, please subscribe my channel.